live. What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, you guys, I'm out here with my little HoSpeed HS18332, the black hole, aka what I like to call the mini fire team. Alright, guys, you guys know what this thing does look like, a little mini fire team, and it's actually coming down pretty hard right now. Like so. A little far. Hold on, let me get up to the street. Alright, y'all. I apologize, I had a car coming. I had to pause real quick. It's really coming down. Hey, this thing is tiny, guy. Freaking 118 scale truck. Out the way, car coming again. Yeah. Watch out for the traffic. Cars keep coming. Hit my little mini fire team. I'm surprised this little thing is going through it. I'm getting bogged down now. Cause I stopped. I shouldn't have stopped. They canceled school today and everything, y'all. Then I think what's funny about it is tomorrow it's supposed to be like 40, 50 degrees. The weather here be kind of crazy, y'all. More cars coming. Look at that, I'm all snowed out. More cars coming. Bogged out. This is kind of the fun part of the house, guys. Just getting out, having some fun in all conditions. Couldn't do it. It actually made it out of there. I think we stuck for real now, y'all. Yeah, we stuck. We all iced though. Go mini fire team, go. Ah. Alright, y'all, we got a lot of traffic and it's cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end this run. Quick run of the little mini fire team, the HoSpeed HS18332, guys. I'm gonna come out and have some fun in the snow. Boy, Drones and Dogs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next episode. Deuces.